हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू अनदर ब्रांड न्यू वीडियो। आप सभी का और एक नया वीडियो में स्वागत है। दिस इज योर होस्ट अभिजीत एंड टुडे इन दिस वीडियो गाइस आई विल टॉक विद यू अबाउट हाउ यू guys can import from USA to India to your country. 2 days ago, one of my viewer named Megha Goel, she sent me an email and she wrote, "Hi, I saw your video on YouTube. Can you please guide if I can get any product from UK as well? And is this delivery reliable?" So she want to know, is this kind of shipping is trustable? So whenever you buy anything from any foreign country, trust is the biggest concern. And if you are ended up with any kind of scammers, you will lost all of your money. And if you guys want to import something from USA or UK and you don't know how to do that, keep watching this video and I will explain you guys how you can import goods from USA or UK to your country. So guys, let's get started. My old inverter battery was dying, so I thought like I will buy a battery desulfator, attach it with the battery and hope it will recover my battery. But the problem is I didn't find any good battery desulfator in locally or any online Indian market. So I decided I'll buy it from Amazon.com. But here comes another problem. The seller who is shipping this desulfator on Amazon.com, he didn't ship it internationally. So there is no way I'll get it directly from the seller. So I searched whole internet and try to find a solution for this problem. If I able to buy this item from Amazon.com and ship it to our country, is there any way to do that? While I was searching for the solution, I found few websites and they provide reshipping services. So what is this reshipping service? So reship means ship again. So whatever you buy from any foreign e-commerce website in USA or UK, you can get those products directly to your address. So what you do, register on a reshipping website and they will give you a US or UK based address where you can ship your product. And after receiving those products, the reshipping company allows you to ship it to anywhere in the world. Last year I uploaded this video how to import from USA to India or any other country, and it get near about 180k views, insane amount of views. Because of the video, you guys asking me lot of questions, sending me emails, sending me WhatsApp messages and asking me, bro, I want to import a iPhone X, I want to import a iPad, MacBook Pro, Note 20 Ultra and so many things, and how I can import it. I will answer all of your questions and make a separate video about it. Also, so many of you guys struggle to make payment on usgobuy.com as they don't support debit card, PayPal. If you are a first time user and if you are from India or some other country, you are not allowed to pay using PayPal. So you have left with direct bank transfer, which costs you $15 extra, or you can create a web money account, which is little bit complicated. Also, you need a international passport to create a web money account. So making payment on US GoBuy is little bit complicated, and because of this I will switch to another reship service provider named ship7.com. Now guys, I will take you on my computer and show you guys a step by step process from creating an account on a reshipping portal. Here I am using ship7.com. Then we will get our own US or UK address. After that, we will go to our favorite e-commerce website, order our favorite item and send it to the Ship7 warehouse, and from there we will ship it to our country. And if you guys don't have a computer, you can open your phone browser and follow me.
So as you see guys, right now I am on my Mac and I am using a Chrome browser, and I will open a website ship7.com. I'm going to use this ship7.com to reship my product from USA to India, and Ship7 support UK too. So shop and ship from USA and UK. We ship worldwide. So guys, if you buy something using Ship7 Delaware warehouse, this item will be completely tax free from USA. So basically guys, you don't need to pay any tax to US government, but whenever it come to your country, you probably need to pay some tax according to your country rules. And if you guys want to know more, you can click this link and you can read this whole page, what is exactly about tax-free shopping from the USA. If you sign up on ship7.com, they will provide you a tax-free address in USA. Now if you guys want to read whole page, I will leave the link of this page in the description below, so check the description for more information. Now I'm going to create a new account on ship7.com. So create a new account, you need to click on this tab, new account. Now here it asking first name. I'll put my first name Abhijit, then last name Roy, and then email. My email address is roytectips@gmail.com. You need to put your email address and create a password. Security check, I'm not a robot. And just click on register. Make sure you type everything right. Click on register. After register, we log in on the website using the user ID and password. Login, and here is the dashboard of ship7.com, and here you will see shipping address. Select ship7 warehouse, and they have total 3 warehouse. One is New Jersey, next is tax-free Delaware address, and third is London address. So if you want to import something from UK, you need to choose this London address, and if you want to import something tax-free, you can choose this tax-free Delaware address. And this is my address. As you see guys, this address, this front line is unique to me. And if you guys want to know how to use this address to ship your product, you can read this document. Ship7 support all of these e-commerce website: Amazon, Target, eBay, Walmart, Best Buy, and many others. I choose Amazon.com because I trust Amazon. Let's click on Amazon, and it will take you other Ship7 page where they explain you how to buy from Amazon.com using Ship7 address. How to ship from Amazon with Ship7 address. Here we need to follow 7 steps. First, we need to register, means we need to sign up with Ship7 and get a US or UK address, which we already did. Next, we need to shop from Amazon.com and use Ship7 address at checkout. So now we're going to Amazon.com or your choice, whatever e-commerce site you choose. Go there and choose your shipping address as Ship7 address that Ship7 provided to you. Then get your package shipped to your Ship7 warehouse. Then you need to deliver this package to Ship7 warehouse. After that, your package will arrive at Ship7 warehouse, and then you need to choose a carrier and pay shipping fees. And Ship7 support DHL, FedEx, UPS, USPS, Aramex, courier, and you need to pay the fees. And method is credit card, debit card, or PayPal. So the payment method is a lot easier here. After you make payment, sit back and enjoy and receive your purchase at your doorsteps within few days. So you will get your package within few days. Now if we scroll down, you will see what is the Ship7 features. Best price in the market. With Ship7 you can free customer support, okay, no hidden fees, fast package processing 1-2 hours, free photos of incoming packages, probably they will capture some photos and show you, free 60 days storage, they provide you 60 days free storage, so you need to pay anything, and after that probably they'll charge you something. Free consolidation, secure packaging for safety of your items, excellent customer support, various payment method for your needs, multiple budget express courier. Next here we have an article, how do you shop from Amazon with Ship7. On Ship7 website you guys also have similar article on Walmart, Apple, and many others e-commerce website. So now we're going to focus on Amazon.com. So first we need to create an account on Amazon.com or whatever e-commerce website you are using. You need to create an account there. If you guys already have an account, you don't need to create it. Then go to the website, you need to add the item to your cart, then check out, and while you check out you need to put the shipping address. Now whatever Ship7 give you address, so you need to put your own address and you need to ship it to Ship7. Now let's go to Amazon.com. I already have an account there, so if you guys don't have an account, just create an account, it's so easy. And I've already added 3 items on my cards: a Blue Yeti microphone shock mount, a motorcycle battery charger, and a battery desalvator, which I don't find in India. So total it's cost me around $88. Next we need to click on the process to check out, and it will take you on address delivery page, and here we need to add the Ship7 address. the address that provided by the ship7.com. We will choose the Delaware address because it's tax free. We copy the address and paste it on amazon.com. We already copied name. Next we will copy the address line 1, then line number 2, then city, then state, then zip code. Now here you need to put the Ship7 warehouse phone number. Do not put your own phone number. Please put the Ship7 warehouse phone number here. Next click on deliver on this address. Choose the delivery speed. Click on continue, and here is my shipping address and this is the billing address. And before placing the order, make sure everything is okay. And I'm making payment using debit card. A total payment is 5,253. Place the order. Thank you, your order has been placed.
After placing the order, it took near about 4 to 5 days to deliver it to Ship7 warehouse. And when it delivered, I get a message from amazon.com that the product is delivered. So I know that the package is successfully delivered to Delaware warehouse. Then it took another 2 to 3 days to show up the package on ship7.com website.
You can see my package is here, one package, and they send me 3 pictures. This is the package that delivered from, this came from Amazon. This is my name, Abhijit Roy, as you see. Next, this is the 3 item I ordered from the Amazon. This is the desalvator, this is the battery charger, and this is the shock mount. And if you guys have any special request like inspect packages, verify shipping label, quantities or condition, is charge you 2.5 per packages. You can request additional pictures, so they will charge you $2 for each and $5 for 3 photos. They also provide repack or merge packages. So merge and split or just repack the contents. $5 for first packages, $2 for each additional packages. You can request Ship7 to repack it and it will reduce your shipping charges. Trash and disposal is free of charge. Return or send domesticated return packages to the sender or other US address, $2.5 per packages plus shipping charges if applicable. Now if I want to return this package, I can do that because Amazon return is free, but it will cost me $2.5 extra. But if your return is not free, you need to pay shipping charges to the ship7.com. But I'm not going to return this package, I will ship it to my address. So before reshipping, we need to declare the value. The package cannot be selected for ship out until you correct the missing information about the value. Please click to make the correction. Now battery charger, I need to define a value, maybe $10, $9. Okay, let's put $9. Battery charger, $9. Now it's choose, okay, battery charger I will define $11. Auto pulse desalvator, $10.4. And shock mount I will choose around $12. Grand total $33.4. Then save. You will not able to change the value anymore. The value you enter for unit prices, so total value will be calculated, the multiply the amount you enter with the quantity. Okay, confirm, save. Next you need to choose your package and click on ship selected item. Before that I going to my account, and there I will update my address. I am from India, and here I will update my own address. So let me put down my address, and make sure you type your name, phone number, address, city, country, everything properly, then save. Your address is updated. Next I'm going to my mailbox again. Their site is little bit slow. Now as you see guys, here is showing 36 days, so I have total 60 days. So it's been near about 24 days gone. Okay, it's on their warehouse for 24 days. Now I'm going to click here and ship selected item. I want to go next to ship selected items. Here as you see, the total declared value is $33.4. I little bit under declared the value, but you know the desalvator price is $10 on China, so it's okay, it's no problem. So you guys can little bit under declare the value of your item, but you should not lower the value too much. Suppose you bought something whose price is around $100, you can declare the value of item is around $50-60. It will be fine, but you cannot declare the value of the item on $2. And for declaring wrong value, customs officer can charge you fine. Next we need to select a shipping option. It's a DHL Express, international budget shipping, FedEx priority. I will choose the lowest is S7 international budget shipping, which is $47. Okay, then I'll click on make complete order. Now here you can pay using a credit card or PayPal. I will choose PayPal, which is more secure. So I will click on PayPal and it will took me the PayPal page. Okay, I'll log in here and make the payment.
So guys, that's the way you can import your favorite item from UK or US based any e-commerce website using ship7.com. This video become little bit long than I used to make because I want you guys to understand everything about importing item from USA or UK to your country. And next part of the video I'll talk with you about the customs, how much money you need to pay for the customs. Then I talk with you about what kind of shipping services will be best for you. Also I'll unbox the shipment on my next part of the video. So guys, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for the next part. And this is your host Abhijit Roy. I'm signing out and I will meet you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.